Namaskaram friends. Today I will be talking about Appakodathan temple, which is the 6th Divya Desam. It's located in Koviladi village. It's also called as Tirupper Nagar in the Kaveri banks. It's around 16 kilometers away from Tiruchi. It's why the deity gets the name Appakodathan is very interesting. Appa means it's a sweet snack in Tamil. It's Perumal's favorite snack, especially Perumal in this Lord Narayana in this temple. He likes this snack very much. Every day they prepare this appam in the evening, immersed in ghee. I mean, they'll cook it in the ghee and then they will give us a nevedyam to Lord Narayana every day in Koviladi. So it's that's why he gets the name Appakodathan. And Koviladi, why the village gets the name Koviladi is it is in the downstream side of the Kaveri banks from Srirangam. So it's a feet. Adi means feet. The downstream side. So the village gets the name Koviladi. The other name is Tirupper Nagar. During Chola times, it's called as Per Nagar. The reason is Per means unremovable. Pera. We cannot remove devotees' love or affection from Lord Vishnu's heart. So that's Tirupper Nagar. No one can remove the devotees' love and affection or Alvar's love and affection from Lord Narayana's heart is its meaning. So we saw the name of Koviladi and then Tirupper Nagar. Appakodathan is the deity name. Tayar name is Appakodathan Perumal's concert. Tayar name is Kamalavalli Tayar. Let's see why the name is Appakodathan. Neyyapam for Appakodathan Perumal at Koviladi. This is also near Srirangam. The Perumal is very famous for his liking for the appam. So today I am going to talk about Appakodathan at Tirupper Nagar, Koviladi. So is it not appropriate to prepare Neyyapam for Perumal? There was a sage called Durvasa. I would have talked about Durvasa in my previous temple for sage Menduka also. This Durvasa sage has cursed the king Upamanyu that he will lose his power, his strength, he will lose his complete strength was the curse he gave to the king. In order to get rid of the curse, in order to come out of that wrath, king has to feed 1,000 people every day with food. So he started serving food for 1,000 people every day. And one day, our Lord Narayana disguised himself as an old man and appeared before him. He asked for food. King, when he is serving for 1,000 people, will he not serve for this old man? He served the food. He consumed all the food that was kept for 1,000 people. King was a bit worried because he has to arrange food for the remaining 1,000 people, no? But then that issue, the old man was not satisfied with the food he had. He consumed all the food for 1,000 people, but still he was not convinced, satisfied. He asked for a pot of sweet milk called appam. Neyyapam. And so king fulfilled his wish. He gave the pot of Neyyapam to him. And you can see the deity in this temple holding the pot of Neyyapam, the right side of his arm. He will be holding the pot of Neyyapam. So he is so fond of that snack. Even now, the Nevedyam is given to Lord Narayana every day evening with Neyyapam. So that's the reason I to prepare today, since I am talking about Appakodathan. Should I not prepare That's the reason. So that's how the deity will be in reclining form in this temple. That's how he gets the name Appakudattan. So later, since this king fulfilled God's wish, he got rid of the curse. He got his strength back. So that's the story. The other story is, if you see the deity, God will be holding the pot of Naivedyam in one hand, and the other hand he will be holding the left hand. He will be holding arm upwards. The reason is, he would have asked for Parijadam flower. There's a flower name called Parijadam. He would have asked that to Indra from Surgalokam. No, he would have asked for that, but Indra will not give that flower to Vishnu. Vishnu asked is for Kamalavalli Tayar. Of course, she would have requested, but Indra didn't give. Instead, he sent us Vajrayudham. It's his weapon. He sent it. So Lord Vishnu would have used his power to destroy the power of Vajrayudham. So that's how he would have kept his arm like that. So you can see deity in reclining form in this posture if you visit this temple in Koviladi. So as I said, the concept name is Kamalavalli Tayar. The other significance of this temple is, this is one of the Pancharangams. It's one of the Pancharangam Kshetrams. There are 5 Kshetrams which is called Pancharangam that are located in the Kaveri banks, right from the upstreams to the downstreams. The first is Adirangam, which is located in Srirangampatnam. I think it's in Mysore. And then the last one is the Srirangam, which we already discussed as the first Divya Desam. And then Koviladi, Appalarangam. It's the Koviladi, the temple that I am talking. The Srirangam temple is also known as Kasturi Rangam. And then Parimalarangam is another Kshetram. It is in Mayiladurai. And Vadarangam, it is located in the Sirkari. So these are the 5 Kshetrams. We call it as Pancharanga Kshetrams. And the significance of this temple is Appalarangam. This temple in Koviladi is one of the Pancharanga Kshetram. So it's not, when we visit this temple, we will not get the significance of visiting 108 Divya Desam, but also we'll get the significance of seeing one of the Pancharanga Kshetram also. 4 Alvars have sung the Pasurams for the Divya Prabandham here. They are Periyalvar, Nammalvar, Thirumangai Alvar and Tirumalizai Alvar. They have sung the Pasurams here. Again, if you see the temple architecture, it will be like Tiruvallarai, or the Varadaraja Perumal Koil. It's neither on the mountain or on the ground. We need to climb around 21 steps to reach the sanctum of this temple, Koviladi temple. Temple is very ancient. It is believed that it is older than Srirangam. So it's very ancient temple. It has a 3-tier Rajagopuram. I have seen the images of this temple. I have not visited it, but I am getting a lot of urge to visit this temple. It is located on the Kaveri banks, and it's very peaceful atmosphere. I think if you visit that, it will be just you and the God. It is such a calm village the temple is located. These are the details I want to give about the 6th Divya Desam Koviladi Appakudattan temple. We'll meet tomorrow with the 7th Divya Desam details, friends. Thank you. Namaskaram.